What's up everyone, it's Life to Grow here again. So I'm just making this video to see if I can pair up my headphones with my HDTV, which has Bluetooth enabled. It's a Vizio TV. So these are the headphones. If you haven't watched my previous video, the Vizio surround sound Bluetooth headphones. These are the actual headphones. Here, this is Vizio. Oops, it's out of focus. So Vizio, the Bluetooth headphones. So as you can see, we are here at my kind of dashboard. But let's see if we can pair up these pair of headphones. So as you can see, the power button, it's blinking. So let's try and focus here. As you can see, the power button, it's blinking. So it should be in discoverable mode. So it says press and hold for 7 seconds. Let's do that and put it in discoverable mode, and then see if we can, the TV can find the headphones. Turns red there. It powered off. Okay, let's press and hold for 7 seconds. Okay, so it's in discoverable mode. So I'm here at my menu and press start searching for devices. Still searching. Oh, there you go, the XV-DHB100. I know this is the Bluetooth headphones because the previous device on the Bluetooth device is my Bluetooth remote, Bluetooth Vizio remote, which as you can see is a small Bluetooth remote, sliding keyboard. Cool, huh? Okay, anyway, so it did find. Why I'm searching again? Press the wrong button. Okay, so as you can see, it blinks red and green, and it found the Bluetooth headphones as XV-DHB100. So let's go back and pair device. And why the hell is it coming to this menu again? Okay, let's. It won't let me turn on and off the Bluetooth audio. So what's going on? That's my remote, the Vizio VUR10. I press OK. I press start searching. Okay. So what next? What's going on? Somehow it took time to find it. So my remote isn't working. What the hell, man? You see that? The TV just turned off. Whatever. This is still blinking anyway. So it's still in the discoverable mode. Oh, there you go, it's blinking green, and I apologize for the focus. It's focused at the TV, so whenever I bring stuff close to the lens, it's out of focus. So So but still, as you can see, it's blinking green. So let's try this one more time. Let's go to audio. Oh, okay. So it turned on the Bluetooth audio automatically. Okay, so let's go back and play, I don't know, some music from last.fm, and I'll just put these headphones closer to the, as you can see, the volume on my TV is muted. I don't know why it doesn't work that way. I mean, I tried it before, that you can, when you pair your Bluetooth device, you can hear the sound from your headphones and also from your TV. I don't know if it's the way my TV is set up, because I have my speakers, as you can see there. I have my speakers set up. It's connected to the analog audio out. So maybe it's something to do with that. I don't know. So I just want to show that the headphones work. So I just muted the TV volume, and let's see if you can hear something from these headphones. Okay. Just increase up the volume here. I have a last.fm account. Let me just put over this my head and see if I can hear anything. Oh, I forgot to mention, there is a dial button here, some dedicated phone button, as you can see here. Sorry about that, but oh, I can hear it. Oh, this is the sound coming from my headphones. So there you go. These are the Vizio Bluetooth headphones. They work perfectly with my TV. I have to figure out how the sound works on my TV with speakers, because yep, this is the sound coming from the headphones. You can make the difference, because when I turn the mute off, you can hear the sound from my speakers too. You see that? So I mute that and I can still hear from my Bluetooth headphones, so it works. I have to modify this, the settings and all that stuff on my TV with speakers and all, so that when you pair your Bluetooth headphones, you can hear only from your headphones and not from your speakers as well. I know it's dumb, but that's that. So okay, these are the Vizio Bluetooth surround sound headphones, and the sound quality is pretty good actually. They sound really good. They sound they are lightweight actually. So okay, it's Life to Grow signing off, and see you again with some gameplay. Talk to you later. Bye.